One of the things that I love about the Vegas market is how inspirational it is. You have furniture showrooms that have decorative objects, and then you of course have all the showrooms with the fun giftables. But to really kind of get a concept of lifestyle, this market really gives it all to you. One of the things that I love about the C building is the fact that you can find beautiful tabletop items, everything from crystal to flatware to gorgeous enameled serveware. Really, the Vegas market hits any kind of category that you're looking for. One of the great things about the pavilions is that there's always what I call the launch pad. It's the newest, and it's the small companies, and it's the people that are bringing the freshest product to market, and the ones that you really kind of want to connect with and support and say, you know what, I'm an entrepreneur. I know what it was like when I started. Let me give you some support. And I always tell them, don't get discouraged if you're not making your sales at market. The reason why you're here is to make connections. I'm a second generation retailer. My mom had a famous shop in Beverly Hills called Tesoro. So when Fred Siegel was looking to open their flagship store, they came to me to ask if I could be the gift and home department. And I said to them that I would only do it if I could bring back my late mother's brand. And as a second generation retailer, a lot of my relationships came from the ones my mother had made. Because at the end of the day, retail, this industry, it's about relationships and the connections that you make. It's all about making you a better, happier person.